friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you Father's Day gifts. So let's begin. For the first one we'll need a square size sheet with 15 cm as its measurement. Measure 5 cm and mark it. Fold along the line. Fold the sheet once again. When you open it you will find 3 parts. So flip your square sheet and again mark 5 cm and fold it. When you open the sheet you will find 9 boxes. After that we have to cut off all the corners. The sheet will form a plus shape like this. Now do the folds as shown over here. After doing so, take a heart shape. Cut it and paste it on the flaps. Now we will cut off the excess paper which is surrounding the heart shape. As you can see over here, I am cutting. We have to do the same thing with both the halves of the heart. So I have done it with the second one as well. And now it will look something like this. Now make a small cut at both the flaps remaining. And then you'll notice a shape like this. So you can insert the heart shape inside the flaps like this, and this will lock the card which we made. Now our card is almost done. The base is ready. So after this we'll take a sheet of paper and do the fan folding method with it. Write a message for your dad and color it. Now we will paste this inside the card. Now decorate it. I'm using washi tape over here to decorate, and our beautiful card is ready. You can see how nice it looks. Now let's make our second DIY. To make it, you'll need a square sheet paper. You can use any measurements you want to. And you have to do the folds as shown over here. Trust me, the results are just so awesome. I love this DIY. And the best part, it's not that difficult to make it. You just have to follow the steps shown over here. So this is an origami DIY. As you can see, we are just folding with paper and doing nothing else. I recommend you to make this DIY with a thin sheet of paper. You can use origami sheets which are easily available in markets, or you can cut a paper which is quite thin in a square shape. Cause we are doing a lots of folds over here, and if we use a thin sheet of paper, we'll be easily able to do all the folds. And this is like a must-try DIY, and the results, I just love them so much. I never even thought that what we are making can be made out of paper, and we are almost done making it. We are very near to the results. So as you can see, when we open it, a square type of thingy comes. It's just like a cube and is 3D. So it looks like this. Then on a piece of paper, draw a clock. I made it in heart shape and paste it over the cube. And a beautiful paper watch is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks, and you can actually wear it like this. You just have to interlock both the flaps, and like this you can wear it in your hand. So I wore it in my hand, and you can see how nice it looks. I'm sure my father is gonna love this. Now let's make our third DIY. To make it, we'll need toothpicks and paint it green. After painting it green, we will take a tissue paper and cut out a circle from it. So it will form 3 to 4 layers. Then one by one, we'll start putting the circles, the tissue paper circles, inside our toothpick. Then we'll apply a little glue so that the tissue paper sticks nicely, and put on our second and third layer. So I'm putting 2 layers at once. As you can see, these are 2 layers at once, and we are going to put it on the toothpick. And one last layer. So for that, again we'll apply glue and put a layer. So when I cutted it, it was forming 4 layers. And after doing so, we will apply a little glue on top, just to ensure that our flower is nice in place. After that, I'm folding it a little so that it comes out even more nice. It looks even more nice, and just to ensure that, I'm folding it, and then we'll again open it, and you see our flower looks so pretty. Now after this, we have to make more flowers in the same manner. So you can see I'm doing the same method with rest of the flowers as well, and I have used 4 flowers over here. You can also use 5 to 6 flowers, like it's completely upon you how many flowers you want to use. So you can see how nice all of them look. I actually feel as if I bought them from the market. So at first I used 5 flowers, but then I thought that 4 flowers should be sufficient. So we have to collect them and arrange them in an order, and after doing so we'll just arrange it nicely, and after doing that we'll tie a thread, and after tying a thread it will look something like this. Now we will take a piece of paper, put double-sided tape on it and peel the one side, stick our bouquet to it, and after doing so fold the paper as shown. After sticking, I took a small ribbon and I tied a bow around it. It looks very nice. Now take a tag, write a message for your father. After that we'll punch a hole. I used a hole punching machine. Pass the ribbon through it and make a hole on the bouquet as well. Tie the ribbon and your beautiful bouquet is ready. I'm sure your father is gonna love this. It's so unique, and I just love how the flowers actually look. I feel as if I bought it from the market. Now let's make our fourth DIY. To make that we'll need a piece of paper and a tie shape. You can cut that out from any colored sheet and glue the tie on the white sheet of paper. Now we'll make slight cuts on the white sheet of paper using scissors like this. We have to do it on both the sides. Now apply a little glue on the tie and paste both the flaps or the cuts which we made from scissors on the tie. It will look something like this. Now make a pocket like this, it's a small one, and paste it on the shirt which we are making. I have curved the corners. Now after doing so, we'll coat the mini shirt with transparent tape, as you can see over here. And after doing so, we will cut off the excess tape which is coming out. And now you can see how nice our shirt looks. Flip it and do the same with the back side. I have done it, and now we'll again trim off the excess. Our shirt is now ready. Using a hole punching machine, punch a hole inside it. Take one keychain, attach the keychain on the shirt and close the opening. And our beautiful keychain is ready. Now this is going to be my father's favorite keychain. Hopefully you liked the ideas. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.